A very good morning to everybody. We are back on an adventure because I am out of isolation. Woo! And so Emma's taken me on a lovely little jaunt to somewhere that I haven't been since I was a kid. What's it called, Emma?
Well, it's either hills and holes, or hills and hollows, or hills of holes and hills of hollows.
So you have absolutely no fucking idea where the hell we're going. It's actually Barnack Hills and Holes. It's a nice builder's bum you've got going on there, Emma.
Well.
Bum! After I finished being immature, we decided to go inside and have a look round. Now, Emma is an absolute machine. She is a personal trainer and she's going to demonstrate hill running.
Okay, I'm going to run down the hill. It's not a very big one, but I'm going to go see if I can get up to the top of that one using my momentum.
3, 2, 1! Off she went like a frolicking gazelle or a mountain goat through the hills and the holes, trying to get me to join in. I thought I'd film instead.
I just need to film you, just coming down the Kerry's just falling down the hill, the tiny hill behind her, look.
There's a bush on my
Barbara Bush.
I definitely didn't have the knack of that like Emma did. So we went exploring in the little woodland bit and found ourselves a new den.
Kerry coming down. Oh, that looked really good.
Well, I was only going to end up on my ass anyway, and this way was a lot less effort.
We're doing a sheep selfie today.
Meh. After spending some time bonding with her new best friend, Emma told me how Hills and Holes used to be an old medieval limestone quarry, and the stone of which was used to make Peterborough and Ely Cathedrals. There you go. Feel the burn! Feel the burn!
Here she goes, her attempt to beat the wall. The ninja in the making. On your marks, get set, go! Look at that speed. There she goes. The power in those quads. Yeah, she made it. Rocky style.
Well, that was quite enough exercise for one day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Our next episode, we're going to be testing out our brand new tent, ready to go wild camping.